some rules about angles and parallel lines. When you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, they have the transversal shown in red. There's rules for that. These are called alternate interior angles because they're on alternate sides of the transversal. They are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Corresponding angles down here are equal. See how they're both in the same spot? And same side interior add to 180. Okay, so I'm going to put a purple dot on all the ones that are equal here. This one's equal, this one's equal, this one's equal, this one's equal. In other words, all the big angles are equal and all the little angles are equal. That's one way to remember it. Now, if they're on the same side interior, they add up to 180. So let's use those rules. It says find the measure of each marked angle given the lines M and N are parallel. Okay, so if I use this purple dot again, and let's mark all the ones that are equal. All the smaller angles are equal. What I find out here, the purple ones are equal. Let's put the other one in orange. All the orange angles are going to be equal. Well, the two they asked about are marked in purple. So I know those two are going to be equal. If they weren't equal, they would add to 180. So you have two choices. You either set them equal or they can add to 180 here. These are equal, so I just say 5x minus 40 equals 3x plus 2. I'm going to move my letters to the left, so I'm going to subtract 3x. That's going to give me 2x minus 40 equals 2. I'm going to move my numbers to the right, so I'm going to add 40 to both sides. That gives me 2x equals 42. And my last step will be divide by 2. Now what I have now is x equals 21. If they ask me for x, I'm done. If they don't, I have to plug it back in. So in this case, they asked for the angle. Now because they're equal, I only have to do one, which is kind of nice. I'm going to take this 21 and I'm going to plug it back in right here. You can pick either one, but I'm going to pick that one. So 3 times 21 plus 2 is going to give me my answer. That's going to be 63 plus 2. And the answer is 65. Since they are equal, I'm done. I have found the measure of both angles.